Hi, this is Sheila Thielen with Vestibular Training Services. So here's how it all attaches when you get it brand new. Once you have it connected, I leave it connected so I don't have to keep messing with it. But when it first comes, here's how it all connects. So you have the plug-in from the electric spinner. This fits only in this slot, okay? So only right here does this fit. So you plug that in and you give it just a little twist so that it's in nice and secure. From there, we have different versions of the foot pedal, but you can see those throughout, okay? That plugs in to the end of this. So the foot pedal connects directly into the control system. From there, the final piece is just the plug-in. So you had just two places to connect, from the foot pedal to the machine, and the machine to the spinner, the controller to the spinner. And then from there, you're just set to plug it in, and you're set to go. Thanks, this is Sheila at Vestibular Training Services. Really easy to set up.